top mistakes which SME business owners make and keep making. Most business owners end up playing a survival game. मतलब क्लाइंट से पैसा आ जाए, बिल का पेमेंट हो जाए, सैलरी टाइम पे चली जाए, EMI निकल जाए, घर का खर्चा निकल जाए. I firmly believe धंधा अगर सर्वाइवल दे रहा है ना तो जॉब बेटर है. I mean less stress, less headache. But let me tell you what keeps most small businesses remain small. Mistake number 1, doing everything by themselves. I remember watching a Steve Jobs video where he said that you have been running Apple for so long, so successfully. What's your biggest learning in the journey? And he said, my first instinct when I started working with the team was something went wrong. And I used to straight jump in and take control in my hands. And over the years, he says, I learned that in the long term, you got to let people run the show. Let them make mistakes. Then guide them, help them, trust them. तो मुद्दे की बात यह है कि सब कुछ आप करने जाओगे तो आपका सब काम कैसे पूरा होगा? मार्केटिंग करना है, सेल्स करना है, ऑपरेशन करना है. Can't do it, you know? और अगर ये सब करोगे तो आपका काम कौन करेगा? You know? Your focus has to be growth, building a brand, driving revenues, profit, strategy. This strategic work requires peace of mind. आपके पास तो peace of mind हो गया है. Now, how to avoid all this? Number 1, define your own role. I will do this, I will not do this. Delegate all the mundane tasks to teams which are not strategic. Then train the team to manage the work with competence. Mistake number 2, relying on word of mouth for new business. 90% of MSME का ये issue है that only through word of mouth they get new customers. Now, I also know businesses who are proud कि हमारे पास कस्टमर वही है और वो बार-बार हमारे पास ये कहीं जाता ही नहीं है. So the challenge is twofold. जान पहचान predictable नहीं होती है और जान पहचान को scale नहीं कर सकते हो. So all the businesses are big not because जान पहचान से Reliance बन गया. It's because strategic marketing has been done by businesses to create visibility, trust, generate inquiries, and people, they think they are big, you know. And the fact is that if you do not invest in marketing, you cannot become big. Now, how do you solve this? Find low-hanging fruit, you know, like working on a database. कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. Start calling them, start meeting them, participating in events, exhibitions, you know. Marketplaces, Just Dial, India Mart, helps you generate leads, you know, SEO, search engine optimization, Google My Business, small activities, not something very big. Number 3, not building process and systems. Abhi small business, for that matter, even medium-sized business, operate ad hoc. अब issue ये है अगर आपके पास process नहीं है और process नहीं बनाया है, so everybody in the company will do things their own way. कभी भी चीजें टाइम पे नहीं होंगी, मिस्टेक्स होती रहेंगी, रीवर्क होता रहेगा. और दूसरा इशू ये होता है, प्रोसेस अगर बनाए हुए हैं, बिजनेस की कोई फॉलो ही नहीं कर रहा है. Because there is no checker. You are only a maker, but there is no system of checking. Hence, nobody is being held accountable. तो कोई क्यों करेगा? Constantly फायर फाइटिंग होता रहेगा जब तक आप उस पर काम नहीं करेंगे और क्रिटिकल चीजों के लिए प्रोसेसेस नहीं बनाएंगे. नहीं तो बस डे टू डे जाएगा, डे टू डे हैंडल करते हुए. यू नो, create SOPs for departments, define step by step what needs to be done, then tell who will do it, teach them how to do it, and assign a checker. कोई देखेगा उसको कि हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है. Check all the work done, share a report. Now, if you do that, an MSME business owner also can fix this. ये कोई बड़ी कंपनी का खेल नहीं है, ये आप भी कर सकते हो. ये 3 मिस्टेक्स को सॉल्व कर दो. I guarantee you, growth will become a byproduct. Namaste, my name is Dr. Amit Parekh, and over the years I've trained over 100,000 businesses for these skills and help them grow and scale their businesses. Now, if you don't want this to be the last time you hear from me, click the subscribe button below and follow my channel. Hope this helps. Cheers. Bye-bye. है।